Miracles, Unpacking the Wonder. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into a word that represents something extraordinary and unexpected: miracle. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in different contexts. A miracle can be defined as an extraordinary event or phenomenon that cannot be explained by natural or scientific laws. Such an event may be attributed to a divine agency. In simpler words, a miracle is something wonderful and surprising that is believed to be caused by God or some power beyond human understanding. Examples: recovering from a severe illness when doctors had given up hope can be termed a miracle. A sudden rainfall in a region facing extreme drought might be considered a miracle by its inhabitants. It's essential to understand how we can use the term miracle in our daily conversations. Here are some examples. 1. It's a miracle that I passed the exam. I didn't study at all. 2. The birth of a child is always seen as a miracle of life. 3. They said the old cathedral was beyond repair, but the restoration team did a miracle with it. There are related words or phrases that have similar meanings or are associated with the term miracle. Let's look at some of them. Miraculous. This adjective describes something that is like a miracle, or has the qualities of a miracle. For instance, his recovery was miraculous after the accident. Miracle worker. This term refers to someone who performs or accomplishes incredible feats, often in a positive context. Example: the coach is a miracle worker. He transformed the weakest team into champions. So there you have it, the wonderful world of miracles. Whether you believe in them or not, the term is widely used to express unexpected and extraordinary events. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage, helping you incorporate it confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.